56 is
4 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? 4 minutes. I don't know. Das Leben ist eine Wundertüte. Life is like a wonderful bag.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jojo. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks.
Royal King. Happy birthday.
Yeah, we don't have any lighter, that's why this time I can't blow the candle, but just pretending.
We should.
Thanks.
Happy birthday. So,
Okay.
open your gift.
So, this is like a Vicky and Friends figure blind box from May. Kinda I just chose this one for myself, but it's kind of a surprise because I don't know what's in it. Like at the Disney store that I bought this from Cologne. And let's I'm gonna say which one I wanna get, maybe the least, but nah, it's not the least. I like it all, it's so cute. Maybe, hopefully it's Mickey, right? Because he's the main character. All are cute actually. Maybe least Daisy Duck. Just kidding.
Surprise me.
Surprise, or maybe there's like a special one. Okay. Right. And then it's sit down. So cute. Funny. Like this. Not another bag. Yay, Minnie Mouse. Oh, look how cute. Read. Look. That's so cute. Actually, I already will know it's Minnie because it's pink, but I haven't thought about that. Anyway. Yeah, so cute. Oh. So sweet. Like, this is from, so random, from Mark's parents. Mark is my sister's boyfriend. Anyway, thanks for the gift. Let's open it. I wanna break it. It's so cute. Let's see. I managed to open it. Aww. First, a card. Happy birthday. It's a gem. Anyway, it says, happy birthday, dear Joanne. Joanne N. And it says, stay healthy and have nice, happy moments in my new year. Like 33 years in life. From what can we okay? And Mario. Thank you so much. And nice dress.
Oh, you can
Wear today. Later on.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cute.
Nice.
Love it. So cute. Thanks so much. Oops. So this is the place we're staying.
Happy
at.
birthday.
Birthday to me. Today is pretty.
New dress.
Yeah, my birthday dress. stuff in here. So we wanted to eat pizza for my birthday meal. Let's taste the pepperoni one. Wow, pizza, by the way. So good. They didn't have any pepperoni for me. But so good. Chicken fried. Let's try this one. It's like chicken shawarma or something. Good. Really good too. My hair's like all over the place, but oh my god. Crazy how windy it is here. What the hell? And I'm windy. Crazy, but look, in paradise or what? Wow, amazing. Wow, it's amazing. Wow, look what a view. I know you can see from here, but the view must be amazing if you have the street in here.
As you're going through your life, it's all coming to so fast. So hang on close to the good times. We want to make them last. Sometimes there's a little trouble. Sometimes it don't go
right. It's just like me. Yeah. Yeah. You like it, it's not so much sweet this way.
Okay, make it a great day.
at McDonald's. Now we'll try the ice sundae chocolate. And we have put the peanuts on top.
Da hast du. Nein.
Again? Pretty? Again? Yeah, there's chocolate underneath. Okay. Yummy, crunchy. Came here for the sun is going down. I wanted to see it at the beach. Came here on top. Oh yeah. Hey.